Good morning students. This video is for class 3 and today our chapter is File Management, Organization of Folders. This is chapter 6. First topic is folder. What is folder? Folder, it is a container to keep your files. Every file is stored in a folder or subfolder. You can access all your folders by clicking the drive. It means you can contain all your files in your own folder. First you have to create your own folder, then you can keep your all files in your own folder. Students, you can keep your all types of files like music, video, image and word. Whatever file you have, you can keep in your folder. It means it is just like a container. Next is saving a file. When we open a new file in any software, it does not have some by default name, which we need to change while saving the file. For example, when we open a file in MS Word, we see document 1 at the place of its name. Students, while saving a file, we give it a name. By the name, we can recognize what is our file. Now students, let us save a file in Word. That we have already done, but today again we will save a file in Word. Here students, you can see here, this is MS Word. We have opened it, MS Word. Then I have already written few lines about computer. Computer can be defined as an electronic device which processes data under program control to generate meaningful information. Students, you can see here on the top it is written, by default it is written document 1, which I have discussed already. By default it's written document 1. Now students, first we will save this file. For saving a file, first we have to click on the file menu, then we have to click on save option, then it will ask a file name, then we will give a file name to this document. Now see how to save it. First we will go in this file. Here we will click Office button. Then we will go to this save option. Then it will ask a file name. It is a Word document. That's why save as the type it is written Word document. Here we will give a name of this file, computer system class 3. Then we will click in this save option. Now our file will save. Now you can see here the name of the file is computer system class 3. In this way we can save a document in Word. Now File Explorer. File Explorer is the management application used by Windows operating system to browse folders and files. It provides a graphical interface for the user to navigate and access the file stored in the computer. Students, the main way to access the File Explorer is by clicking the folder icon in the taskbar. After clicking the icon, File Explorer window will open. In this way, you can open the File Explorer. Next is the File Explorer ribbon. In Windows 10, the File Explorer features a new ribbon toolbar, similar to the one featured in the recent version of the Microsoft Office. This ribbon contains buttons and commands for the most common task. The ribbon features 4 tabs and each with different commands. And what are the 4 tabs? The 4 tabs are Home tab, Share tab, View tab, File tab. These are the 4 tabs in the File Explorer ribbon. First we will discuss about Home tab. Home tab, we can perform following tasks from the Home tab. What are the tasks that we can perform? Copying and paste files and folders from one place to another place. Moving files and folders to another location, renaming folder, opening a folder, deleting a folder, and this works you can do from the Home tab. Students, next one is Share tab. Share tabs gives us different option to share our file and folder. For example, email or messaging a file. You can email or message a file through this tab. Compressing a folder to take less place. Printing and faxing documents. This works you can do from the Share tab. Next is View tab. View tab allow us to change the window. The way window display files and folders. Some changes you can make here. And what are the changes? First, adding additional panes. You can add more panes with the help of View tab. Sorting and arranging the content of the folder and hiding selected folders or files. With the help of the View tab, you can hide your folder or file if you want. Next is File tab. The File tab opens a menu with different options like opening an additional file explorer window, opening command window, and changing or configuring option. Students, I hope you understand this video. Thank you and have a nice day.